Hey guys, my name is Kristyn. My pronouns are she, her, hers. I am a senior here at New Paltz, and I'm going to graduate soon with a major in biology and a minor in chemistry. I've been doing research here at New Paltz now since the spring of 2018, and I've mostly worked with Dr. Belinsky's research lab here on campus. Today I'm going to kind of show you what it's like being a researcher on campus here and what it's like being an ecologist, basically doing a mixture of field and lab work. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions about what it's like doing research. The project that we're working on now, we're comparing a landfill to the neighboring forest to see what the differences are between the bird species, the insect species, and the plant species at each location. So I'm going to show you a little bit what our sampling process is like for our project. So I'm going to take this opportunity to answer a couple of questions that you guys have been asking. And the first one that I'm going to talk about is how do you get involved in research? And the best way that I would say to get involved in research is to get to know a professor that you want to work with. So take a class with them, go to their office hours, express your interest in what they're working on, and say that you'd love to research with them. Especially if they have an opening in the lab. Usually professors do. A lot of people graduate every year from their labs and they always have spaces open. Or you could wait to the next year. Just express that you're interested in the material that they're researching and that you'd love to work with them. Don't be shy. Be true to yourself and just say, this is something that I love and would want to do. Another solid question was, how do you pick what you want to do research in, and is it required to do research? So some majors actually do require that you do at least a semester of research in the field that your major is in, but some don't. And if you really don't know what you want to do research in, you can actually look around at some of the projects that are going on campus and see if there's something that you might just want to get involved in. So if there's a class that you took and you love the professor, you love the material in the class, and you see research on campus that might be related to that, why not give it a shot? And if you don't really enjoy it, you don't have to be involved in it forever. It's something that's really helpful for you to understand what you might want to do in the future. So some people I've heard work in a lab for a semester and they might not love it, and that's how you know what you might want to do when you graduate, because otherwise it might just be a shot in the dark. If you don't know what you want to do now, it helps a lot for you to know in the future. Finally heading back outside after a long day in the lab. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I really hope you enjoyed a bit of insight on what it's like working in an ecology lab on campus. Feel free to follow my Instagram account if you'd like, and definitely follow New Paltz Ornithology if you want to know what's going on and get updates for the research for the rest of the year. Thank you.